Okay, so this question is slightly more complex because we need to actually use a molecular weight now because we have a solution which is expressed in grams. We need to end up thinking about moles. Okay, so what this is saying is that our solution here, the concentration of the amino acid is 3 milligrams of amino acid, okay, per mil of the solution. So it means that if, and again in English, milligrams, there's a hidden 1 over here. So that means if I take out 1 mil of this solution, in that 1 mil will be floating around 3 milligrams of amino acid. Okay. If I take out 2 mils, then in that 2 mils will be floating around 6 milligrams of amino acid. If I take out half a mil, then I'm going to be taking out 1.5 milligrams of the amino acid. Okay, so how many milligrams of amino acid do I actually need? Well, I need 5 micromoles. Okay, so we need to somehow convert this micromole measurement into a milligram measurement. Okay, and to do that we use a molecular weight. Again, a molecular weight of 150, okay, means that 1 mole of this substance, of this amino acid, weighs 150 grams. Okay, so 1 mole is equal to 150 grams, which means that 1 millimole is equal to 150 milligrams, just putting the milli prefix before the mole and also the grams. Okay, so let's go one further and let's say let's go from milli to micro. 1 micromole of this amino acid is equivalent to 150 micrograms of this amino acid. Okay, so now we have a conversion between micromoles and also micrograms. Let's come back up here to how much we actually need. Okay, so the question is saying we need to actually take out 5 micromoles of this amino acid. We know that 1 micromole of the amino acid is equivalent to 150 micrograms. So 5 micromoles of the amino acid times 5 is equivalent to 750 micrograms of the amino acid. Okay, so we actually need, we can replace this and saying, well, for this amino acid, 5 micromoles is the same as saying 750 micrograms. And so we can say, how much would we need to take out of this solution in order to give us 750 micrograms of this amino acid. Now 750 micrograms is equivalent to 0.75 milligrams, but again those are ugly numbers, and so we'll see what we can do over here. Okay, so this concentration here we've been talking about before, how it means that in 1 mil of a solution there's 3 milligrams. Okay, so this is telling us that we need 0.75 milligrams of this amino acid. Okay, our stock solution is looking like this. It's 3 milligrams per mil. So if I take out 1 mil of this solution, I'm taking out 3 milligrams of this amino acid. Okay, so this means if I need 3 milligrams, well, the concentration is equal to 3 milligrams per 1 mil. Another way to say it is, if I need 3 milligrams, I just need to take out 1 mil of this solution, and I have in that 1 mil the 3 milligrams. Okay. If I need 6 milligrams, I'm going to take out 2 mils. Okay. But I don't need 6 milligrams. I need how much? I need 0.75 milligrams. Okay. So 0.75 milligrams per something mils. Okay. And to get from 3 to 0.75, let me bring up a calculator here. Okay, so to get from 3 to 0.75 is actually divided by 4. Therefore, to get from 1 down to whatever this is, it's also going to be divided by 4. And so 1 divided by 4 is 0.25, which means that if we take out 0.25 mils of the solution, we'll be taking out 0.75 milligrams of the amino acid. Okay, 0.25 mils is the same as saying 250 microliters. Okay, we're taking out 0.75 milligrams of this amino acid. So we actually need to get 250 microliters from this solution over here in order to deliver our 0.75 milligrams, which is 750 micrograms, which is equivalent to 5 micromoles.